Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to update YouTube Kids application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. In order to update the YouTube Kids app on your smartphone, first of all, open up the Google Play Store or your App Store. Now tap the search icon at the bottom right and in the search box type in YouTube Kids. After typing it down, search for it and then in the search result, look for this application from Google. Now check if there is an update button available within the page. If you see update, simply tap on it without thinking twice so that you can download the latest installation for YouTube Kids. But if you see an open button, it means you are currently using the updated version already. So after the update is done, tap on open and that way you have successfully updated the YouTube Kids application. Your child can now enjoy the newest features and improvements in a safer, more reliable app environment. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.